Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Phytochemist. In today's video, we are going to explain about the dietetic regime of Panduroga, that is anemia. Good nutrition throughout our life is essential for good health and longevity of our life. Complete nutrition requires ingestion and absorption of vitamins, minerals, essential amino acids from proteins, and essential fatty acids from fat-containing foods. So, let us know about the dietetic regime of anemia in detail. And you are watching Phytochemist. No single food will cure anemia, but eating an overall healthy diet rich in dark leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, seafood, meat, beans, and vitamin C rich fruits and vegetables can help you get the iron you need to manage anemia. At first, we need to see the indicated diet for anemia. The first one is leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens, especially the dark ones, are among the best source of non-heme iron. These includes spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, etc. In these examples, the main one is spinach. Spinach contains high oxalates. These will bind with the iron and helps to increase RBCs in our blood. The next one is citrus fruit like pomegranates and orange, etc. Beans, whole grains are also good source of folate and vitamin C. Helps in metabolism and absorption of RBC and thus prevents anemia. Meat and poultry. All meat and poultry contains heme iron. Goat meat is rich in iron and helps in the formation of RBCs in blood. Liver. Liver is arguably the most popular organ meat, that it is rich in iron and folate. Seafood. Shellfish such as oysters, clams, crabs are good source of iron. Thus, they prevent anemia. Beans and pulses. Beans are good source of iron. Iron-rich beans are soya beans, black-eyed peas, black beans, peas, etc. Lentils are supposed to be a superfood for anemia patients. Half a cup of lentils has about 3.3 milligram of iron. Nuts and seeds. Some nuts and seeds that contain iron are pumpkin seeds, cashew, pine nuts, sunflower seeds, walnut, and almonds. Grains. Iron fortified pasta, cereals, and grains are good options for getting the much needed iron. They are all rich in iron and can help in shooting up the hemoglobin level in our blood. Some of the examples of grains are oats, wheat, etc. The next important thing we are going to discuss is foods to avoid if you are anemic. Some type of food interfere with the absorption of iron, like the one we are explaining below. Avoid tannins. Tea and coffee you drink contain tannin. These substances bind iron molecules and interfere it with the iron absorption in the body. Avoid brown rice, legumes, etc. Phthalates and phthalic acid present in this can inhibit the iron absorption by binding with iron of digestive system. Avoid milk foods like milk, yogurt, cheese, etc. because the mineral hinders the iron absorption and causes anemia. Avoid cocoa, coffee, apples, and spices. These contains polyphenol and phenolic compounds which inhibit the iron absorption. Asatmya Bhojana. Sudden change in lifestyle or food style or habitat leads to aggravation of pitta dosha along with alternation of Agni. It causes mandagni in our body and which in turn causes reduction of hemoglobin or RBCs in our blood. Avoid excessive intake of salt. Consumption of salt also affects the sickle cell anemia patients. A high salt diet can contribute in high BP, cardiovascular diseases, kidney stones, renal stones, obesity, etc. Heavy alcohol intake will decrease RBCs in our body. This further leads to damage to the heart and immune system. Any defect in the immune system can cause iron deficiency anemia. So, by consuming a balanced, healthy diet which is rich in iron and consumption of vitamin C, which helps in absorption of iron, and decreasing the intake of tea, coffee, and alcohol may prevent anemia, and it may lead to a quality life and can maintain a good health. Thank you. If you like our video, then please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you.